Okay, when we are done with that, we are just going to go over some of these icons we are seeing here. Okay, which are very important.
Okay, back now. Python language support, Python debugger, Python environment. Hello.
You see the first one, Python. You see the first
Yeah,
one, Python.
yeah,
It
the
has
first
the
one is
Microsoft
Python.
tick.
Yes, that's I
Exactly.
can see the Python here now. Yes, yes, here now.
You see install. Can you see install at the right hand side
Yeah,
of it?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Install.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so while that is installing,
Mm-hmm.
now any other extension you feel like okay, you'll be needing maybe any other time, this is the marketplace to come search for them.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so when you want to install any extension to help you do whatever you want to do, or like writing a program on this IDE, you definitely come here on the
All right.
extension board to actually like install of those you get. So now what this extension is going to install for you is going to install a very good Python environment. You understand? For you, it's going to configure the environment. You're going to install a debugger. You understand? You're going to install a PyLanch, which is rich in writing server components for Python. Okay, but we're not going to be talking about Python. Sorry, server components for Python. Okay, I don't think it's in our scope. Okay, it's not in our scope, but I think that's more like for networking. When you're writing network applications, okay, definitely need PyLanch. You understand? For writing rich server components. Okay, so it connects to APIs and all of those. But we are going to look at APIs at the end of our towards the end of our class. Yeah, so because one thing is to create
Sorry,
an
sir.
application.
I think I'm done. Open project folder. Open a Python project
Okay,
folder.
no, don't worry.
Okay.
No, don't worry.
Yeah. It's installed now.
What's it called
It's
now?
installed
This
now.
okay. I'm going to go over these icons we are seeing here. You
Yes,
understand
sir.
that some of them are really important for us to know. Okay, so that you will not be beating around.
Yes, sir.
Maybe when you are trying to look for something, okay, because they're already here. Now I'm going to go from the first one. This first one, okay, this way you get to see your projects, your Explorer. Okay, it's called Explorer. Okay,
Okay.
if you have a folder that
I don't
you've
have any
written your
that
codes
yet.
on,
Hmm.
no, don't worry. You've written a code on or something like that, it's going to pop up here. Okay, maybe for
Okay.
example, right now, this is a Python class
Okay.
foundation. Okay, if I want to create a folder under this is a folder already. This is a folder.
Yes.
Okay. If I want to create another folder, it will become a subfolder under
Oh,
this
that is the Python class.
under this exactly under this folder. Okay. So just for me to come here, you see, this one is a new file. This icon here, it's a new file. The
Yeah.
second one is a new folder. Then this
Folder.
one means refresh the Explorer. Maybe you created a fresh new folder or a file that's not shown on your Explorer. Just come here, refresh the
Yes, right.
Explorer. Exactly, it's going to show. So now I want to create a new subfolder because I will delete the subfolder later on. Sure. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm coming. Maybe exit that. Okay. So it's going to ask me the folder name. I'm just going to call it test one. Okay, so I've created the folder. So I want you to follow the same procedure. Yes. Exactly. No, you don't need to open folder. Click here. You clicked here already. Okay, click again. Exit space. Okay, so now the fact that I think because you've newly installed yours, it will not be showing like this. Okay,
Yes, of course.
so what you need
Of
to
course.
do, you see this icon here,
File.
this name here,
The
file.
file.
Yeah, exactly. Just go
Hmm.
to file. Exactly. Then you see new file,
Yeah, new
right?
file.
You
Yes.
see new file.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Um you're supposed to see new folder.
And that of new file, new folder. Yes, there's a new folder. Yes, there's a new
Create a new
folder.
folder.
Okay.
Just click the new folder.
Okay, folder name.
Exactly. You
Text.
can name it whatever you want to name it, but you can name it maybe Python class
Python class.
fundamentals and foundation. Yes, you can name it that because most of what we are going to be doing to be here.
Fundamentals. All right.
So I'll show you a method to actually create. So you need to learn how to use command line and all because you're a server guy. So it's called the called command line is mark. These entry links make a directory. So when you click that, just put that name. But right now, you're not creating it inside your service file. Okay, but since you want to look for a place where if you do the arrow, this will show you exactly where you are. Yeah. Sorry, I'm coming, please.
Yes, sir.
So this will show you exactly where you are. Okay. Where we want to that you have the desktop, you have the document download. So depends on where you want to okay document. So you can just go to CD name, change directory to document. Okay. CD. This can also complete. So you're already there. So you can now MK. So this command line very important for you to share because you're in several profession too. So just MK, sorry. Inside the name of folder. It was great. Exactly. Yeah. Okay, so, sorry, I was showing our physical students something here. Okay. Exactly. Yeah. So what you saying? No, come. It's okay. Just TRR. It should check if you see the folder. Yeah, you see it that way. Exactly. So what you now do, you can now open folder. Please, I'm coming.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir.
Exactly. So you can now open from there. Then just select folder. So then set folder now. So it's not show here. Let's see. So inside that folder, we can now start creating sub folders. Yeah, just yes, at first. Good. So what have we found so far? Can you just tell me what you've done so far? Have you created your own folder? Were you able to create your folder? Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Okay, so were you able to create your folder?
No, I told you that my system is down here for now.
Phoebe, were you able to create your folder? I think he's having network issues again.
Yes,
No, it's not network issue. I couldn't create a new folder.
Oh, okay, good. You could not create a new folder, right?
No, I couldn't. No.
Okay,
He's telling me to add it to
good.
the,
So
I have to click on the existing file to make a new folder.
all right, good. So we have to do okay. We can also use the terminal to create a new folder again. This other knowledge I feel you can also have. Okay, now sometimes to create a new folder because I think what's it called? Visual Studio Code already expects that you have a folder. That's why it's doing that. It's not giving you a leverage to actually create a new folder, but you can create a new file You understand? But creating a new folder, it already expect that, oh, this person has a new folder, so you can use your folder you've created. So we are going to create a new folder. Okay, now you are going to come here. You can see these 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. You can come here.
Yes, sir. Yes,
right?
sir.
You see terminal.
Yeah, terminal. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you go to new terminal.
Terminal. Yes, I'm there.
Okay, good. Click it. Click new terminal.
Okay. Okay, I'm there.
Okay, it's not going to show exactly what you are seeing in my own because of the terminal extension I'm using. It's called MIG-W. Okay, you don't necessarily need that, right? So what you're going to do for me right now, you're going to type dir.
Okay. That's after the tech or before the tech. Okay. dir.
Going to list everything you have in that particular environment you are in. If you're in the
Can you hear me, sir?
yes,
Type
yes, I can
dir
hear
where
you.
now?
Yes, dir,
dir
then press
under
enter.
where now? Mine is showing psc/user/tech. Then I should type it after that one or under it.
You're in the same way.
I'm at that place now. That's after I clicked on the terminal. So there's an open box.
Okay.
There's an open box. So then under the box it's showing PSC.
Type dir.
Inside the box or outside the box? Inside or outside the box, sir? Hello?
Inside. See, this environment you are seeing here. This environment you are seeing here.
I can't see your mouse, please.
Wait, sorry, please hold on. I'm coming.
Is it okay now?
Yeah.
What time is it connected to?
It's okay now. So, maybe later I can do that. Okay, so can you see where I am? This place where what's it called? Where my mouse is right now. Can you see here?
Your mouse.
Yes, can you see here?
No, I can't find your mouse at the moment.
You can see my mouse.
No.
Oh, I think.
Okay, I've seen it now. I've seen it.
Don't worry.
I've seen it.
Okay, exactly. Now you can see where my mouse is, Abi.
Yes, yes, sir.
Good. On top of where you are seeing, you can see on your own. Can you see problems? Can you see
output, terminal?
Debug? Exactly.
No, mine
That
is
means you're in
showing
the terminal.
problem, output, terminal. There's no debug in my own.
Okay, don't worry. Later on, it's my show. I think it will show later on. Okay, when you have a program that you've written and you need to like probably debug. Okay, or maybe we're going to install like a debugger or something later on. Okay, but I don't think you need that right now. But what we are concentrated on is the terminal. Can you see the terminal?
Sir. Yes, I'm there. I'm where
that
the
means you're
terminal
under the terminal.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. That means you're under the terminal. So if you click under the terminal, okay, you see like an open box. You see this a dollar sign. After the dollar sign, then
there's no
you
dollar
can start
sign
typing there.
But there's no
it
dollar
does
sign.
not mean honestly.
Just PSC :users/tech, then greater than sign.
Okay, exactly. Okay, good. Just type dir. Don't care about what they just type dir. It's going to show.
Okay. dir. Okay, I've written it. Enter.
Enter. Exactly.
Okay, there are some files here. Some 1932 and 25.
Okay,
A lot of files are also here. Links, video,
okay.
OneDrive.
Okay, so now let me explain that to you. That's a worker directory. So if the directory you are in right now, I don't know the directory. Probably you are in the user directory. Okay, so now we're going to move from that directory to a directory you are going to be working on. I think I'm using my desktop directory right now. Yeah, that's where I created. If you see I'm doing dir arrow. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, I do dir arrow. You can see different files here. Okay, this is not a desktop directory. This is the directory before the desktop, which is the user directory. That's where I am right now. I think probably that's where you'll be. Okay, now if you
The link
scroll
is
like
one that picture, games, searches,
you
videos.
exactly,
From
I think
from the
you are in
directory.
directory
Yes.
before exactly. So now what you are going to do, we are going to move from this this user directory to a new directory, which is going to be the directory you want to use. You understand? Okay, you can decide to use
That's all.
document directory, which I use on that directory. Okay, but I want to use my desktop directory. That's where I want to use. So now what you are going to do, you're going to enter CD, then space. Can you see what I'm doing? Yes, CD space.
I can't find the. I'm just one place, sir. CD, please. Where is that? I can't
No
see your
problem.
mouse.
Just type CD, then space.
Where am I typing the
Okay, can you
CD?
see my mouse? You see the same place where you typed your dir.
Okay, where would you type the? Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can see my CD, right? Space.
Is it the same place now? Or under it?
Yes, exactly. Same place. But anyway, don't worry, it's going to type. It's going to just keep typing. It's going to show. It's not going
Now
to
CD. Dollar sign. I've known the dollar sign.
exactly. You type that, right?
Let me type dollar
No,
sign.
no dollar sign. Don't worry, just type CD space
CD.
space.
Okay. CD.
Okay. So what folder do you want to use? Do you want to use your documentary folder to save the works we are going to do? Most of the
I
work
think
we are
I've
going to
got
be
the
doing.
desktop. I'll prefer desktop.
Okay, desktop. Okay, same
Network.
desktop.
Hello.
So you just use
Hello.
desktop. Okay.
So use what desktop?
Yeah, can you
That's.
hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, use desktop. We are going to use desktop. Yeah, I can
And
hear
what is the
you.
code for the desktop? See the CD.
Okay, so the desktop, that's what we are going to be using. So what we are going to
Okay.
do after
The
the space,
CD.
yes,
And I will
after
type CD. I'll type
space,
desktop. I will space. Okay.
yes, but add the
Okay.
space,
I've done that.
then
Desktop.
capital letter D, because it's very
I've done
important.
that.
I think it's
Slash.
very case sensitive. Okay, enter, press enter.
No, then slash. Hello, sir.
Yes, press enter.
Then okay. After the slash.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, enter.
First, I've done that.
Oh, do you know this is one way of creating, and there's another way for creating folders? Just go to your desktop folder, check that too. Okay, that means you're in the desktop directory now, right?
And I just I click enter. I'm not. You're not showing the user text/text like desktop.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
You see desktop.
Yes, desktop. Yes, sir.
Exactly. That means you're in desktop. You're in desktop directory. Good. Now we want to create the folder we are going to be using for our class. Okay, that's
Okay,
what we want to do now. The folder we are going to be using for our class. That's what we want to create now. So I'm going to name mine Python class foundations. Okay. So there's a command for creating folder. Okay, which I am going to be using. Okay, I also show us on that way, but this one for me it's quite faster using command.
I think I prefer that one as well. So what's the command, sir? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
MKD. Can you hear me? Yeah, I can
Hello.
hear you.
I can hear you now. You said this. So what's the command, sir?
Can you hear me?
Hear you now, sir.
Okay, check my screen. MKDIR. MKDIR.
Yeah, okay. MK shift or together.
DIR.
The
Together,
MKDIR together
means
or shift.
make directory.
Sorry?
No. That together.
KDIR. Okay, I've done that. Hello,
Yeah.
network. Hello.
Now, you can hear you.
Should I press enter?
I can hear you.
Should I enter after I've done the MKDIR? Now should I
Don't
press enter?
Space.
Okay. I choose space. Hello. Hello.
No, space. Space.
Okay, space. Okay, I've done that. Space. Okay.
Space.
Yes,
Yes, can you see my screen? Okay.
Your screen is showing.
Yes, can you see my screen?
Foundation. Foundation as
Okay, can you see
Python class foundation.
Python dash exactly Python underscore
class
underscore
class
foundation. You
But
can see that.
you want me to press MKDIR.
Exactly.
That's what you told me.
Yeah. I said enter MKDIR space. Then you cannot type the folder you want to save all the applications you are going to be writing. But me, I am naming mine. Python
The name of the folder.
Okay, yes, but we want to name the folder. You guys want to create a folder that we are going to save all our programs to.
Okay. Do I need to add that to my name?
All our programs.
Do I need to add a dash to my own? I want to use a Python class on my own. Do I need to add the dash? Network.
Because it's to it, make it just going to assume that you are creating two folders.
Hello, sir. I wanted to name my Python class. Do I need to add dash after the Python?
Yes, add the dash after the Python or underscore.
Okay.
Then you can enter. Then you can now enter.
Okay. Underscore.
Good.
Class.
Then you can enter now.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you enter DIR, you should see, or ls, anyone though, enter DIR or ls. It's going to show you the folder you just created.
Enter now.
Yes, DIR is going to list some of there. Then it's also going to show you the folder that you just. Yes.